Hello guys, this is Arun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use Python in the VS Code. So I just actually noted down here some steps how we can use it. So first of all we will download Python. After that we will install the Visual Studio Code, and the third option is we will install Python in the VS Code. So next is we will follow these steps. So let's go first one by one. So first you need to visit on python.org. This is the website and you can download it from here. I'm using Mac, so if you guys are using Windows or Mac, so you can install from here. So once you will click on Python, it will download it here. So once it is downloaded, you need to click on install, and once it is installed, then you can open your terminal window and check if Python is installed or not. So how you will check it? This is the command Python. I'm using Python 3, so you can search like this. So if you will see here, I have version Python 3.11.4. so once Python is installed, then we need to download Visual Studio Code. So you can visit on code.visualstudio.com and download this version from here. If you for Windows is different and Mac version is different. So right now I'm using MacBook, so that's why Mac OS I downloaded. So once you download it, you need to go to the Visual Studio and you can click on Visual Studio Code. Once you open it, then first we need to install Python in the Visual Studio Code. So search here Python and click on install. Once it is installed, then we can create the file, Python file. How we will create, I will show you. Click on new file, write file name, like let me write here hello.py. py is the extension of the Python. Enter. It is asking for me to save this file, so let me save it on the desktop. So this is the file is created. So let's create one more file. Click on new file, hello2.py. So now you can see I have two files. So let's see how it will work, and we can check the output. Let's write some text message, hello Python file 1. So this is the message I'm going to print from this file, and hello2 also will print something, hello Python file 2, or we can print one more message like 100. So this file is created. So how we can run it? Go to the terminal window. So first we need to go to the path where we save this file. So this file is saved on desktop, so let me go to the desktop first. Desktop. Now how we can run? So syntax is Python 3 space file name hello.py. So now you can see this message I was trying to print here. So Python hello Python file 1. So if you need to run second file, you can run in the same, but you have to change your file name. So this is also here. Now if you wanted to run directly from the Visual Studio Code, so you need to download extension Code Runner. You can download this extension. Once you download it, then we have to set up, you need to go to the settings, because we need to set up here some steps, and you will search here code action on save. So click on text editor, scroll down, this is the option we have, code action on save. Click. Once you click it, you have to copy this file. I'll paste this file in the description box so you can copy from there. So once you save it, close. So let's run it from here directly. Code Python. So now you can see we can directly download it here. I'm going to run file 2. This is so these two files we have set up here, and we have seen how we can run and how we can install this. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.